Hi all. So today I am going to do a review of a humidifier, which is Agaro humidifier. This is some sort of an Indian company, and they have a lot of product, including this humidifier. And I think I just bought this humidifier because there are lots of humidifier in the market which are Chinese made. Even this is a made in China, but then as it is being marketed by a company named Agaro, I think this should last long. And this comes with a 1 year of warranty, as well as you can also extend it to plus 3 months. I will shortly show you how this humidifier is and give you a quick description. So this particular tank, everything made up of ABS plastic. So this tank is 2.5 liters, and this is just openable like this. It has a push cock here. This crystal thing, what you can see is a cock, which is being pushed by this particular mechanism here, which is here. Maybe you cannot see because of the water that is collected here. As when this particular thing being pushed, the water inside this tank will be released, and then it goes to a vibrator or heat dissipator machine, which is this silver color. And water gets quick boiling here, and there is a fan inside this particular chimney, this particular funnel. And the water goes on, and then the water released and the water is released from the in the vapor format. And the thing is, this is to be settled like this, and there is nothing else. There is no lock system or anything. And this is the cap. They call it as the direction of direction of the dissipated water vapor. This is 360 degree, and the dissipation of the water vapor can take place at any direction what you want. I will quickly power it on and show you how it looks. So this is the knob. Okay, when you start, there is this particular bluish white indicator that glows, and the vapor starts. Okay, this particular water vapor might not be visible to you at this point, but I'll try to increase the power. Okay, maybe now you can see. They say that this particular humidifier is capable enough to humidify a room of 22 square meters, and I think that is quite good. The one thing there is one thing that I will like to show you before I end up this particular video. The power cable is of good length, and this comes with this particular socket. And so far it's just 2 days I bought this humidifier. The build quality, I liked it, and there's no issue, but there is no fancy lighting inside the tank as what other humidifiers comes with. My need was only to have a humidifier which can keep my house plants healthy. There is only one thing again. What I did not like about this product is this particular knob. When you power it on, it gets a bit stuck here. This is maybe this product's characteristic, but I'm not sure if it's a defect or not. And after this particular thing increases its power, and there is again, when you go back anti-clockwise, there is a bit of a lag here, and then you can quickly turn it off. So that's all about this particular humidifier. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.